Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. Now, one big question we get asked all the time with both of our supply side of things is, are there AED pads for infants? Now, an AED unit, automatic external defibrillator, has a standard set of adult pads. And when we're dealing with adults, we're looking at over the sort of puberty age. Now, some AED pads some AEDs also come with child pads, and these are child defined as age around about 1 to the age of puberty. So the key difference here is, yes, that these pads are not always on the AED units themselves though, because for cost reasons, as they expire over a period of time, some people don't have them. If you do have child pads, they're going front and back rather than up the top of the chest and under the arm. Now, if you haven't got child pads, then you would obviously use adult pads. That's absolutely fine. But when it comes to infants, the under 1-year-olds, there are no AED pads for them within first aid. Reason for this is, number one, is that the chance of coming across an infant in VF is very, very slim. So therefore, they're not something we'd need. So we're not really using the AED in the same way as we would for an adult. This is often because it's maybe a respiratory type problem rather than a cardiac problem. If you've got a 50-year-old man with cardiac arrest, it's likely to be cardiac related. Whereas in an infant, it may well be respiratory related or a condition like that. So although there's no AED pads and we don't need to get the AED at this stage for an infant, what we do need to do is effective CPR. So we carry on doing CPR, ensure that the emergency service has been activated, and we do the CPR until we can get help as quick as possible. So if you are dealing with a case of infant CPR, you would carry that on, and then maybe if the ambulance comes, get out to the ambulance to get them quickly. This is the sort of help you can get. So in answer to the original question, then the answer is no. There are not infant AED pads on conventional AED machines. And also, many of the ones in public access AEDs don't even have child pads with them.